Long ago, the Igbo people gave themselves special marks for many reasons, which include 1. Recognition. The Igbo people travel everywhere. In the past, when they made themselves far from home, tribal marks helped them know each other. Even during wars, it was a way of saying, "This is my brother." 2. Maturity. The famous ichi was a rite of passage. It showed a man was mature and ready for the responsibilities of men. The Umudioka and the Nri people were well known for this. But today things have changed. Civilization has erased the practice of tribal marks. So here's the question. What do Igbo men do now to show they've come of age? If you know it, please write it on the comment section. Thank you.